Meaning of Felix Frankfurter.
Felix Frankfurter.
Felix Frankfurter.
Felix Frankfurter.
Felix Frankfurter. Felix Frankfurter was an influential American lawyer and jurist who served on the U.S. Supreme Court from 1939 to 1962. He was known for his progressive views and commitment to civil liberties, particularly freedom of speech and the rights of minorities. Frankfurter played a key role in shaping the court's approach to constitutional law, advocating for judicial restraint and deference to legislative bodies. He is widely regarded as one of the most important legal thinkers of the 20th century, his legacy continuing to influence legal scholarship and practice today.